Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another part of my spring, summer, I guess now more summer, product loves and recommendations. For today, it's going to be highlighter products. Who does not love a good glow in the summer? I feel like this is like my time to shine in the highlighter space, so I wanted to share my recommendations for the hot summer months for highlighters with you guys. So before we get into it, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Join the family. Thank you so much if you do, but if you want to see my highlighter picks for the summer, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright, let's jump right in. I have 6 products here. 3 are powders, 3 are liquids, so you get a good variety of everything, and there's some really good ones in here, you guys. I feel like there's something for everyone in this selection. So as usual, I'm not going in any particular order. I'm just grabbing whatever product I see first and letting you know why I picked it. All of them will be linked in the description box because I don't remember like specific details on pricing, things like that. So everything will be in the description box for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, I have a few others in this little series that I've already done, like blushes, bronzers, foundations, all that good stuff. So please make sure that you guys check those out as well. I've had so much fun talking about all these and just sharing my summer recommendations. I built these up for a while, so I hope you enjoy. First up is one of my all-time favorites. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Glow Glide Face Architect Highlighter. This is in Champagne Glow, and I'm sure you're going to see a pattern with the champagne-y highlighters in this video because champagne-y highlighter is my weakness. It looks so good on every skin tone. Like, just, there's something about like that champagne-y hue that is unlike anything else. Like, nothing compares in my opinion. So here it is. One of the things that I love most about this product specifically is if you're like obsessed with this product and you go through it really quickly, this like pan comes out so you can just replace like the actual product inside. You don't have to get a whole new compact, which like Charlotte Tilbury is not cheap by any means, so it's kind of nice that you don't have to pay for a whole new compact. You can just get the inside product, so I love that. I'm just gonna do a quick swatcheroo for you guys. I feel like highlighter swatches do not do the product justice. I don't know how well you guys can see, but it is the prettiest, just literally like a nudie champagne highlight. I love that it's not glittery, it's just a natural glow, but it will give you like a beaming highlight. Like, let me just touch the tip of my nose here so you can see. Like, that's beaming. So obviously I love this. I definitely recommend it, and you cannot go wrong with a Charlotte Tilbury product. They're always amazing. So next up, I guess I'll stick with the powders first and then get into the liquids since we're on the topic. But I have the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Exhilarate. So this one is more of like, I wouldn't necessarily call this champagne. It almost has a little bit of that champagne-iness, but this is more of like a nude highlighter, if you ask me. Like, it's like a very much like nudish, like very neutral colored highlighter, but it is gorgeous. It feels like silk when you touch it. Like, I can't even describe the way that this feels on my hand, and the glow that this gives you. Like, this is definitely the most beaming powder highlighter of the bunch, but it really just stands out. Like, every time I put this on, I look at my cheeks and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, what is this? Let me do this one on the bridge of my nose so you can see. Oh, that is just so crazy. I don't know how well it's gonna show up, but it is beaming, you guys. Like, oh my god, every time I put this on, I'm like, wow. And this is another one where it's not glittery, it's not like chunky or like fake looking. This, as beaming as it is literally just gonna make it look like you're glowing from within. Like, this is your glow that you have, and you just happen to look like that. So who would not want that? And then last for my powders is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Seeker highlighter. This is in Sun Idol. This is like the most beautiful, like golden, champagne-y kind of highlight, and it is so pretty. The packaging, first of all, A+. It's so heavy feeling. Like, it feels so high quality. The inside, like the attention to detail of the actual product, everything about this is stunning. This one doesn't feel as soft to the touch, but the actual product, when you can see it, it's insane. I love how all of these are like a different kind of form of like that champagne-y highlight. Rare Beauty is definitely the most neutral of the bunch, like the nudish, but a little hint of champagne. The Charlotte Tilbury is definitely the champagne-y colored one. Like, I literally think champagne when I see that. And then the Anastasia Beverly Hills has like that golden champagne-y kind of color. All absolutely stunning. You cannot go wrong any way you go. I grabbed for all three of these. I love them. I'm trying to think where I can put the Anastasia so I can show you how it looks. That might have been the wrong move to do it under my brow bone, but we're gonna make it work. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but you get it from the swatch. Absolutely beautiful. Love the golden hint that you get without it being too golden. Sometimes gold can be a little bit too much, so this is that perfect in between. You cannot go wrong any way you go. Now, moving on to the liquids. I also have a little something for everyone in here as well. So the first one is the most neutral of the three. This is the Fenty Beauty Eaze Droplet All Over Glow Enhancer. This you could realistically put all over your face and it'll give you a beautiful, beautiful glow. I love to put this on like a highlighter on top of my powder products, or if I'm just wearing liquids and creams, and this just gives me that like wet look. I love like the wet glowing highlighter look. I think it's the prettiest kind of highlighted look. It's like subtle, but it's not. I don't know how well the camera is picking it up, but it's right here in the corner. It's just such a beautiful, like I look like a glazed donut in the best way. It's a very neutral champagne-y undertone, I would say, so it's that perfect highlighter effect, but it still looks like your skin. Like, you're not adding any like bold colors. Like, it's just a more neutral color. Did I tell you guys what color I even have? Taffy Topaz. That's the color this is. Taffy Topaz. It's shade 2. And you cannot go wrong. Like, I put this on sometimes under my foundation. I put it on a lot of times on top of my like cream and powder blush bronzer products, and it looks insane every single time. So comfortable to wear, lasts all day. All of these products are very long lasting, by the way. Next, we have Chanel, Soleil Tan de Chanel. It's the Sheer Illuminating Fluid. This is a cross between a bronzer and a highlighter, and for the summer months, this is like one of the products that I reach for the most out of like any product that you could possibly think of. This just elevates any makeup look so much. You can wear this under makeup, like as the first step. You could do it on top of products if you want more of that bronzed, glowy look, and it just gives the perfect like bronzed goddess, like European summer, just everything kind of look, and I cannot get enough of it. I've been using this for years and years and years. It's lasted me forever. A little goes a long way, beyond worth the price tag. Like, this is Chanel, so you know it's a little bit more hefty of a price tag, but when I tell you it's worth it, get your hands on it if you can. I will be using it all summer long, again, like I do every year. And then last but not least is Dior. It's the Forever Glow Maximizer. This is in the shade Peachy. This one is a cross between a highlighter and a blush, so you get the best of both worlds. I feel like when I wear this, I don't need to do a blush and a highlighter because this just does it all for me. It's so easy to work with, so easy to blend, so easy to use. It kind of reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury beauty ones, like the blush ones, because those are kind of also a cross between a blush and a highlighter. Absolutely stunning. Every time I wear this, I'm like looking at my cheeks and I'm like, oh, this looks so good. It looks so natural. It looks like I was like kissed by the sun for real, not like it's makeup. And it gives you the perfect glow from within. Like, again, not like a chunky, glittery not like fake looking glow. It's very much like your skin, but you take really, really good care of it. And every time it looks so, so good. So those are all of my products. There were 6 products there, all huge, huge recommendations, you guys. Like, if you have not tried some of these, I'm obsessed, especially for the summer. Like, you could do these, of course, all year round if you would like to, but for the summer, these just give you that extra glow that you're looking for, and I cannot recommend enough. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed. Comment, let me know what else you guys want to see from me, what you want me to do for you on the channel. Give me some thoughts, please. Give this a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, but stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.